everybody, it's Rebecca-Louise here with your abs series. Today we're going to do abs and legs. I'm here at Lions Rock in South Africa. You have got a treat for this series because we're going to be showing you some lions, tigers, and amazing animals. So let's get started. Our first exercise we're going to do is we're going to stand up, sit down. That's all we're going to do. We're going to get that heart rate up. We're going to get our body. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Up we go. So the idea of this workout is that you do as much as you can. With every single rep, you are going to get results. So know that with consistency, with dedication, and a little bit of grit, you are going to be able to get those results that you want. So let's keep going. You're halfway here. We've got a whole bunch of amazing exercises that are really going to help with your obliques, with those lower abs, and get those legs nice and toned too. So let's go for another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, all the way up to the top. Shake out those legs. You're going to come to the top of your mat. We're going to take a nice lunge down, arms out in front. We're going to twist and then come back to the center. So pull those abs in nice and tight. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. All the way down, nice and long, and extend. Let's keep those arms out in front. All you're going to do is tuck those hips under as you get all the way down to make sure that you are supporting that lower back and working those abs. Okay, let's rock it. Whew, we're going to do so great today, guys. All you've got to do is keep on moving towards your goals. Every single rep, every single exercise is going to make a difference. So let's go. We have got 5, 4, 3, 2, come on, give me one more on the other side, and release. Okay, shake out those legs. We're going to come into a warrior 3, and all we're going to do is we're going to lean forward, we're going to bend that knee, and we're going to extend and give ourselves little pulses at the top. Let's go for it. So take a breath in here, inhale and exhale. So we're working those glutes here, but we're also working that quad, getting nice and strong. We're going to take it over to the right side, so push down into that supporting leg, and then we're going to take it over to the left side. Halfway there. Come on, keep pushing. You've gone halfway. Anytime that you need to put your foot down, take a quick second rest, and let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Okay, release down. We're going to take it over to the other side. So let's make sure both of those hips are facing forward. We're going to tuck that hip underneath, bend that knee, and we're going to take it into those pulses. Bring those hands together, chest is lifted, release those shoulders, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Now, you have probably seen quite a few videos of me here at Lions Rock in South Africa. You have got to hear some of the incredible stories of these animals being rescued. Now, I know that you guys are big animal fans. There are over 100 tigers, lions, and big cats that have been rescued from zoos, from people's houses, keeping them as pets, and we are going to be doing some amazing videos where you can see these lions and tigers. All the details about this incredible charity, how you can get involved, how you can be a volunteer, are all in the details below. So go follow their page. You're going to love it. Okay, release that leg down. Let's shake out those legs. We're going to take it to the top of the mat. We're going to take it into a plank, and then we're going to step through. So working those abs, you're going to plank here. We're going to step, take it the other side, here, and then come into that downward facing dog. So feel that stretch all through your legs. Hold here to work those abs, and take it over to one side and all the way to the other. That's it. Stick that booty up to the sky. Breathe in, exhale, hold that plank for a split second, and take it down one side and the other. Really nice and controlled. Booty's up in the air, holding that plank for a split second. Take it one more either side, nice and gentle, and send those hips up to the sky again and release down towards the ground. Okay, let's take a nice breath in together. Inhale and exhale. Let's work those abs. Okay, so we're going to come in, we're going to do ins and outs. So you're going to bring those knees in towards your chest. You're going to extend out and bring it in. We're going to hold for a split second out, and then as we bring in, we're going to go right here. You've got this. So extend nice and long. Bring it in. So you guys, if you want to get involved in being part of Paw for Pauses charity here at Lions Rock, I suggest putting this place on your bucket list. By visiting here, you are contributing to helping the animals. There are animals that are in really bad situations that we need to make a difference. So you can donate, you can come here, you can really make a difference from wherever you are in the world. Okay, release those legs. We're going to take it into our next exercise. We're going to do a bridge pulse with a full sit-up. So what we're going to do is push those heels into the ground, lift up, squeeze those legs together. Here, we're going to come all the way up and hold. So bring those knees down, all the way, release, squeeze in, and let's rock it all the way up and holding that boat pose. You've got this. Release all the way down to the ground, push it up, squeeze, and lift all the way up. Hold that chest, halfway there, release all the way down, nice and gentle, lift, bring those knees in together, and bring all the way up to the top. Let's take it one more time. Slowly come down to the ground, push down into those heels, squeeze those knees together, and the last one, let's hold, and exhale. Okay, cross those feet over. We're gonna come into some frog jumps, okay? So we're gonna really work those abs and those legs. So come up into that high plank. You're gonna jump out to the side, and then you're gonna either walk back or you can jump back. So modified version, you're gonna bring your feet out here, send it all the way back. Otherwise, you're gonna jump forward, hold here for a second, push down into those hands and feel that plank position. That's it. Bring it here, inhale, and exhale, shoot it all the way back. You got this, halfway there. Push those knees out to the side, push down into those fingertips, try and hold yourself up for a split second, and take it across. You got this. Give me one more. Hold that plank, take it out, and release all the way back. Come down to those knees, shake out your hands. Okay, we've got the last exercise of this round. We're gonna take it into opposite mountain climbers. So really working those oblique muscles. So push down into those fingertips, lift up here, and let's take it across. So nice and slow, you're gonna touch the opposite elbow with the opposite knee. Modified version, you're gonna come down to your knees, and you're still gonna be able to do this exercise and feel those obliques working. Let's come up onto those toes, and across we go. Okay, we're halfway there. You've got this. Keep on pushing through. Allow that body to twist. Push nice weight down into those fingertips, spreading them across the mat so you can feel everything moving. Take it one more across, and release down. Okay, we've done all of those exercises once, so you are a pro now. We're gonna take it all the way through to the beginning. So let's stand up, take a nice big inhale together. Inhale through the nose. As you exhale, give yourself a nice smile because you are here, and we're gonna keep on going. Let's take it all the way down and bring it all the way back. So I'm gonna put all of the Instagram accounts for Four Paws and Lions Rock. I know that you guys are big animal fans, and if you really understand what is happening and the incredible organization that is going into war zones, into zoos, into people's houses who are actually rescuing these animals in the most ethical way, and they're really working towards changing legislation. They've made so many changes. It's unbelievable. You guys are gonna love it, and that's why I'm here to share their message. Okay, we're gonna take it into a forward lunge with a twist. Let's take a nice big inhale. Exhale, keep smiling through this, shake out those legs, and let's take it forward on that right leg. All the way down to the ground, twist, squeeze, and bring it back. We've got some Charlie's Angels going on here. That's it. So squeeze those glutes as you get to the top, try and get a little bit lower in that lunge. The bigger the range of motion, the more that you are gonna be able to feel it. That's it. Now taking that body across, you're gonna work those oblique muscles. You got this. All the way down, 10 seconds to go. And breathe. Squeeze through it. You got this. Give me one more on either side. Twist. Last one. And push down into that leg and shake it out. Okay, we're gonna take it into those pulses. So we're gonna lean nice and hard into that left leg. We're gonna bend the back leg. Bring those hands straight out in front of you. Lift up, and we're gonna pulse for 30 seconds. You got this. Now, if you are feeling it more in maybe the lower part of your leg, then relax that foot. Tuck those hips underneath. You're gonna feel it in those glutes too. You're gonna feel it in that calf muscle by pushing down the pressure into that standing leg. Over halfway, you can do this. This is in your toolkit. You just have to decide that you're gonna finish every single exercise as best as you can. 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, 15-second rest. Take a sip of water, do what you need to do, get focused. We're on the last couple of minutes. So let's take it over to the other side, bring those hands together, lift that leg up, and let's pulse it out. Lift that chest up. Now stay focused on something in front of you that is gonna really help with your balance, and make sure that all of your weight is in that supporting leg, and you're gonna be working those calf muscles to the glutes, to absolutely everything. Okay, we can do this. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale out. Let's get all of that oxygen to the muscles. If you're holding your breath, what's gonna happen is you're gonna feel dizzy, you're gonna feel like you don't have energy, and that's just because you're not getting the oxygen to the muscles. Let's keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. We're gonna take it to our very last exercise. We're gonna come to the top of our mat. We're gonna take it into that plank. We're gonna step either side. So whatever has been going on today, you're gonna leave it all on the mat. We are gonna absolutely crush this next 30 seconds. So let's come down into that high plank, and we're gonna step from side to side. That's it. Come here, and then shoot those legs up to the sky. You've got this. And nice and gently across. Bring those toes back, send those hips up. Hold that plank for a split second so we get that ab engagement. Take it across, send those hips up, and you can do this. Just 10 seconds left to go, and you are already here on your mat. So you may as well try another workout that we've shot here at Lions Rock and check out the lions and tigers. Gently come down to the ground, give yourself a huge pat on the back. Check out this next workout with my friend Saeed. Great ab workout that you're gonna absolutely love. Guys, my name's Rebecca. I will see you next time. Looking so strong, everybody. Let's keep this momentum going. Let's keep our desire nice and strong to finish these workouts. This is what we gotta